It's about compounding the gains, compounding the gains, compounding the gains, compounding the gains. I don't need to be a big shot. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars trading. I can show a $140 win. It's okay. Everyone's so afraid of what everybody thinks about them. If they post a little win, oh, I only made $100. You know what? You didn't lose. I was in a long last night. I called a long for the trading group. If you were in the trading group, what happened last night? Well, we hit Mahadao for 31% gains. We hit Ranker, which I posted it basically at 1 a.m. I was up to 1 in the morning. A little later, we posted Ranker up 17% gains. We posted Bond up 35% gains. We already took Bond for 95, like 85 a couple days ago. I tell you what, I'm 10 for 10 in my last 10 trades. I lost 1 out of my last 12 trades. Bang, bang, bang. I'm not saying every trade was the biggest trade in the world. I'm not going to say I'm the ballest of ballers. But I will say, if you go to my trade history, because we have, if you go into your 3 commas is great. But if you come here to Smart Trade, right? You go to Smart Trade here, and you go to history, and you type in the history. It will show you your last 10 trades, So look, I hit Bond for 64. I hit this one for 13. Pimon, I was in it for days. I was really testing a strategy. I early this morning put 950 last night before I went to bed. Before I went to bed at like 1 in the morning last night, I opened up a long in Bitcoin. Only took out $70. It wasn't a huge deal, right? Then I made $140 off Juke, right? Then I made 126 off a Matic long. Then I only took 19. I was up $100 in this quant, but I just moved my stop loss to break even. Then I made $2,000 on Bond. Then I made 73 on storage. Then I made 60, right? And then I canceled this trade. Look, my last 10 trades, not one loss. 10 for 10, baby. That's not easy to do, even if you just lose, even if you only win a little bit. It's about compounding the gains, compounding the gains, compounding the gains, compounding the gains. And what I want to prove is why I use small amounts too sometimes to show because look, last night I made, $64 off of, let's see, $500, So I'm proving to you, like, that's half of the monthly cost of the trading group. $500 made 60, right? So like this 950 made $75. So you don't need a lot of money to pay for the group. The group will pay for itself pretty much, if you just keep grinding and learn what you need to learn. You should be able to take care of yourself if you stay focused. You don't overextend yourself. You don't overtrade. I don't need to be a big shot. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars trading. I can show a $140 win. It's okay. Everyone's so afraid of what everybody thinks about them. If they post a little win, oh, I only made $100. You know what? You didn't lose. You didn't lose. And people will make fun of me. People will tear me down. But you know what? The people that love me, the people that care, are going to be here. And that's what matters. Don't go after the people that aren't on your frequency. They're never going to understand you anyway.